Hey guys, Tom at TPC Racing here. I'm in my 991.1 GT3 wedged in between two carbon fiber lightweight bucket seats. The reason why I'm doing this is to install the DSC Sport V3 controller. I'm sure you guys have read all about the positive reviews online, and I was actually involved in development and final tuning of it. So I am super excited to be installing this in my car. Not because I haven't installed and driven cars with the DSC controller before, it's because this is my own car. This is my personal car. So that's gonna make this super special. This is probably the 10th video I have made for the installation, and probably installed over 100 of these units myself. I always get questions on it, so let me just do this one with more details. There's no need to disconnect the battery, so I get a lot of questions on this one. So here's the answer: no need to disconnect the battery. As long as the key is out of the car, you're fine. Okay. Right now I'm gonna put my hand here under this carpet and just give it a tug. It's gonna come off pretty easily. So back here, this car is a virgin. It's never been modified or been opened up before. So the controller, the stock controller, is sitting here in this foam. Pardon me, I'm wedged in between two seats and one hand holding the phone. So next thing I'm gonna do is just lift this foam up and flip the controller so that I can see the controller, the front side of it, with the connectors facing me so I can get to them. I'm gonna have to put the phone down for this. I needed two hands to get the stock controller into this position, so now that I have one hand free, I can hold the phone and show you this part. Okay, so the controller's facing me now. I'm gonna undo these two connectors. A lot of people have trouble removing the bigger connector, which has the 3 locking slots on it. Just because it's tight, it's not difficult. So you just have to pull the tab away from the connector. So I'm gonna need two hands, so I will put the phone down. Okay, I found a block of wood to hold the phone, so now I have two hands. First connector, hope you guys can see this. See where I'm pushing my thumb into the outside portion here. It does require firm grip, but there it went. The second connector, the smaller one, should be a lot easier. Yep, that's it. That's the stock controller. And here is the DSC. I'm gonna start with the big connector. Line it up. Clicked, easy as that. Line it up. Click, also easy. I'm gonna install a USB cable to it because I don't feel like doing this again. If I need to do any custom tuning or updates or anything. Okay, connectors in. So now I will reverse the process by flipping the DSC up into the resting place for the controller. Yep, there it just went. And I'm just gonna route this USB cable to the side. That's it. I should have used this block of wood to hold the camera in the first place, but oh well, I'm done. All back together. And this is where the USB cable comes out. I'm just gonna tug it. Okay, I'm done here. Have the stock controller in my hand. I'm going to crawl out between these two seats and start driving. Thanks for watching. Oh man, it feels better just leaving the parking lot. It's amazing. This is awesome.